Today is our second annual, it's all about the cause mini cancer walk, and all the money that we raise is going to Sisters Aid Cancer Foundation, which is all local. It's for Kids Against Cancer, and we have about 43 families in Crystal River right now with children under the age of 14 that are dealing with cancer. We help them with groceries, transportation, gas cards, whatever we can do to help them. So if you're out and about, come and see us. It's all about the cause. We're all volunteers, and we're going to beat this.
You gotta keep going, keep breathing. When you face a day that feels like you're gonna break, lean on the ones that love you, the guardian angels above you, and think about where pink is just another color. Someday your time will be your own time. No waiting rooms or doctor's news that make you wanna cry. And someday we're gonna have a party. We'll pop pink balloons with people who know love can be an army. Someday is coming any day. You gotta believe without seeing. You gotta keep going, keep breathing. When you face a day that feels like you're gonna break, lean on the ones that love you, the guardian angels above you, and think about when pink is just another color. Ooh, just another color. Someday, and it's coming any day.
I cannot wait till our Luminar ceremony at 7 o'clock, where we can honor those who have beaten cancer and remember those that we have lost.
When you face a day that feels like you're gonna break, you gotta believe without seeing. You gotta keep going, keep breathing. When you face a day that feels like you're gonna break, so lean on the ones that love you, the guardian angels above you, and think about when pink's just another color.